Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot top chimichurri. If you haven't signed up to our Food Smart program, click on the link and do so we can send you some more tips and tricks on how you can save food as well. Now, carrot tops generally come when we buy a bunch of Dutch carrots, rainbow carrots, and they're all bunched up together using their leaves. Now, most people would just cut these off and throw them away, but we're not most people. These gorgeous little fronds make an excellent chimichurri, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So in my bowl here, I've got some cut up carrot fronds, I've got some fresh parsley, and I've also added in some Asian greens. This one is a pak choy. I just find that it adds that little bit of extra. It takes away from that slight bitterness of the carrot leaf, and it adds a good green veg in there as well. And Asian greens are in season at the moment, so bonus. Chop everything up quite roughly. Doesn't need to be perfect, just roughly chopped. To it, I'm also gonna add in some roughly chopped garlic and some roughly chopped chili. If you don't like chili, don't put it in. You can add some lemon juice for a little bit of zing instead. But if you like chili, definitely put it in, it's worth it. The next thing that you're gonna have to do is pop it all into your food processor. Blitz it around, add in some olive oil as it's blitzing. You want it just enough so that it all kind of combines together. And what I mean by that is you don't want it to be runny. You want it to just be a nice, thick paste like this. Oh, it smells and looks amazing. Fantastic on pastas. I mix it through roast vegetables, on salads. I've just finished making a beautiful focaccia and I'm gonna put some of this on it now. Enjoy.